Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lacey Lynn Life. I'm Lacey Lynn. I'm so glad you're here today. It's Christmas time. Today I'm going to be talking about something that is so fun, so exciting. I just really hope and pray that it warms your tummy and just lifts your spirits and just feeds your soul. It's my first time I'm going to be sharing this recipe with anyone. This is my recipe for my gluten-free, grain-free chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to be using dark chocolate chips. I have my guest today, my daughter, Selah Rose. She's my first guest on the show. Yeah, she's over there. And she's going to be teaching you how to bake these cookies. And so I hope that you're having a peaceful and gentle Merry Christmas season. Christmas time is often really hard for a lot of people, I know. Here's Selah Rose, like us, that's missing our loved ones so much and just having a lot of stress and strain in a bunch of different areas. So I'm praying for you. I love you. And I just pray that you're filled with the wonder and mystery and love and beauty of Jesus' birth during this holiday season. Enjoy these cookies and stick around at the end. I'm going to be talking about the giveaway I have at the end of this month. Remember, I showed you the pictures if you watched my slideshow from my Coastal Christmas home tour. If you subscribe to my channel for the first time this month, December, you like and comment on any of my videos, and you share any of my videos on one of your social medias. If you do all that, you're going to be in the drawing for one of the 3 caps. Hook up with me on my Instagram, the Lacey Lynn Life, Lacey Lynn Davis, one of those. Anyway, and just let me know that you've done all those, and you'll be in the drawing. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Love you guys. I'm Lacey Lynn. I'm here to make sure that your life is a little easier, a little sweeter, and to make every day feel like a vacay.
Hello everyone! I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and I love you and I hope you really enjoyed celebrating Jesus' birthday. Peace. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lacey Lynn Life. Today on the Lacey Lynn Life, we are going to be making my mom's chocolate chip cookies. They're gluten-free and grain-free, so they're healthy for your tummy. I hope these cookies make your tummy happy, and I hope you have so much fun baking them with your family and friends. The ingredients you need for this recipe are butter, regular sugar, brown sugar, almond flour, coconut flour, eggs, salt, and baking soda, vanilla extract, 2 cups of chocolate chips of your choice. So we already mixed up 2 sticks of butter, regular sugar, brown sugar. Now we're adding in 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now we're going to add in 1.5 cups of almond flour. All done. Now we're going to add in 3/4 cup of coconut flour. Whoa. Okay, here's the dish.
Thank you. You're doing amazing.
Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda. And lastly, we're going to add in the star of the show, 2 cups chocolate chips of your choice. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients up. You can mix them up by hand or in your electric mixer. Chocolate chips are so yummy, right guys? Have you even tried them before? They're good, right? Hey guys, Mommy's recipe is really good, and I hope you guys enjoy it when Mommy makes it sometimes. And hey kids, these would be the perfect cookies to leave out for Santa with some milk on Christmas Eve. Now this batter is a little bit thick, so it may take a little bit longer to mix it up thoroughly. Once you get the batter all mixed up, we like to use a small cookie scooper or a small ice cream scooper to scoop out our batter on the cookie sheet. Hold on, guys. And see, it makes it nice and easy. Preheat your oven and bake your cookies from 10 to 15 minutes, depending how soft or crunchy you like them. We prefer soft, chewy, and gooey. Yes. I'm so glad you watched our video today. Please subscribe to my mommy's channel. Turn on your notification bell. Be sure to like and comment. Make sure to share this video with your family and friends.